This unit is not heavy, it's very light. It weighs 1.7 kilograms. And right, so on the front of the unit you will find the lens. And this sensor is used for auto keystone and also autofocus. On the sides, you will find on the left side, there is a dust filter, and these two metal pins are used for the leather handle. The leather handle goes on the metal pins as such, and now you can carry the unit around easily, right? Next, on the back of the unit, you will find all the ports, such as the audio input, 2 USBs, 1 HDMI, as well as an Ethernet input, and this is the DC in. As well as the main unit, in the box you will find the power cables and this remote control, as well as the user manual. So let me show you how this video projector works. It has some really amazing features. I would even say magical features because it works like magic. So it has auto keystone adjustment and also autofocus. So let's get it out of focus and bring it back into our screen. Now it's using autofocus to automatically adjust focus. Alright, so now that the screen is clear, let's see what's inside. So inside we have 6 main modules, which are apps, video, music, home, search, and setting. So in each module, you will find, so for example, let's say inside video. Video is the main thing because it's a video projector, right? So you will find a lot of suggestions. As the time goes by, you will be using this video projector, and the software will learn your habits. You will see more and more relevant recommendations. You will always be able to find your history. So whatever you watched before, you will see it here on the screen. The same goes for music. Now there's a few recommendations, but as you use this projector, it will understand you better and it will give you some more relevant recommendations. Now if you want to find something, go into search, and on the left side there's the input. So let's try to find something, for example, cat. So let's see what the search results are. It's searching for 3 things: videos, apps that have something to do with cat, with the inputs, inputted keyword, and then also it's searching for music. So all these tracks that have cat keyword inside of them. Okay. Now, so let's say that you want to download some app. Go into the apps module, and you will have a few popular apps, a few recommendations. Let's say you want to download something of your own. So go into one of these categories like video, sports, music. So for example, let's go into news. And it opens an app market. And you will find more apps in here. And you have more categories here, such as even tools. You will find all kinds of browsers and video players and etc. Gmail is also here. Okay, let's see what apps are already installed on the machine. And there's not a lot of apps. You will have to install them by yourself. You have YouTube, you have UShare, which is good for screen mirroring, iMirror for iPhones, and if you want to play video from your USB stick, go into File Explorer app. So let's try to do it now. My USB, and let's try to play something. Hello world. I have a few pictures in here. So have a look at this picture. This picture showcases small text. So this video projector has the resolution of 1080p. With this resolution, you can see all the letters, all the small details clearly. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to play some videos.
These videos downloaded from YouTube that come in WebEDM format, so I'm going to play them for you.
Now the next thing that I want to show you is how to use screen mirroring from your phone. You have to open this app called UShare, and then you will see this page. So this page says you have to connect these both devices to the same Wi-Fi network, and then open this website 192, 168. So you can either manually enter the website, or you can just scan the QR code. And then you will see this page. So just download the app, just download the UShare app, and you will be able to mirror your phone. So I have the app downloaded already. So all you have to do is, so first go into the settings, go into the drop down menu, and then click cast or wireless projection. It depends on the phone. Connect to the projector, and then the screen will change into this kind of setting. So now it says that my phone is already connected to the video projector. Now what I can do is click mirroring right here, and my phone's display is being mirrored to the video projector.
How's calm with heights?
You can't survive here.